Welcome to Go Go Mandarin Grammar.
华语语法战士
Let's have a quick look at
的
Sometimes when we're talking about actions, we need to add to their meaning by using adverb. These adverbs often appear in a
的
form. Let's look at how to use it. For example, look at this first picture. How is the man walking? Slow or fast? If it's slow, we can use
慢
to describe the way he walks. While
慢
is an adjective, we can't use an adjective to describe a verb. Therefore, in this case, we add
的
after it to make the adverb.
慢慢的
To be clear, we can say that
的
is used to turn adjectives into adverbs and can be thought of as an equivalent to the suffix ly in English. You could call it the adverb
的
or adverbial
的
since it precedes verbs like adverbs do. Let's try another example. Look at the picture and answer the question. What was he doing? Good. He's walking.
走
Since he was walking to his company, we can say,
走去上班
Now, was he walking fast or slow? It's slow. 慢. But we need to turn the adjective 慢 into an adverb, so it would be
慢慢的
in this case. Now let's make a sentence with the picture.
他慢慢地走去上班
He slowly walks to work. You've got the idea now. Let's try another one. The children were asleep.
睡着
Pick a word from the box to describe the way they're sleeping. The answer should be quiet. Now fill in the blank with
安静
to complete the sentence. Don't forget to use
的
if needed. Great. The sentence is,
孩子们安静地睡着了
the children quietly fell asleep. Ready to practice some more examples? Look at what the man in the picture does every day. The teacher teaches every day.
老师每天教书
Does the teacher teach happily? If so,
愉快
can be used here. Let's make a sentence with this picture. Remember to use
的
to describe the picture. We can say,
老师每天愉快地教书
the teacher teaches happily every day. Congratulations! Now you've learned how to express actions using
的
See you at the next lesson.